Bart Starr's trusted protector, an all-time pro guard who helped power the Packers to 3 NFL championships and 2 Super Bowl titles, my man, Jerry Kramer.
It's only fitting that Brett Favre made the announcement that will send Jerry Kramer into the Pro Football Hall of Fame. But it was a knock on the door prior to that public announcement that Kramer has been waiting for nearly half a century.
And all of a sudden the door goes boom, boom, boom. And I said, that's it. That's it. And the most beautiful man I have ever seen, this big hunk down here at the end, was standing there with the cameras and the stuff behind him, and I was over the top, you know. It's something that I was afraid to believe in, I was afraid to hope for, and so I kept trying to keep those emotions out there somewhere. But hey, I'm here, and I'm part of the group.
For Favre, Kramer had his vote all along.
I'm biased because he's a Packer. Jerry's a friend of mine. And I think he deserves to be in. It's long overdue. I mean, I've seen tons of highlights, and it's always a good thing when your teammates and fans speak up for you. He deserves to be in the Hall of Fame.
The man known for protecting Bart Starr goes in with a star-studded Hall of Fame class that includes the likes of Randy Moss and Brian Urlacher. From Green Bay to Canton and back, Kramer continuing the rich tradition of greats to play in Titletown, now with the highest title an individual can receive in the game of football.